This is the Blindfolded Walkover Legos Rubik's Cube Challenge competition without peeking. He's gonna hold a pizza box over, like between me and the cube, just so nobody has any suspicions about this.
I don't know.
They're probably fine.
That pizza box holds some algorithms. Okay, let's see.
The box is pretty transparent.
I don't know. Papa John's. They're a sneaky bunch.
There was a joke somewhere in there. I don't think you found it.
I don't know. I was trying.
Hi, Jason.
Hi. This is a terrible video already. I wouldn't watch this.
Wow, you're just
Wow! Dude, why you gotta be so negative?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Man, I would never be able to do that in a million years. I would just take off the stickers.
No, you wouldn't.
Ow! I feel like there's a lot of math involved.
Alright. It's
Go a little bit to the left.
Go to the left? Alright. I forgot, so I'll continue to walk over Legos until I remember it. What the? Oh yeah. It was oh, do I need to turn around? Oh.
Yeah, you're getting close. Yeah, turn around.
Okay. Okay. Ow. Ah! That was a hard. Oh. Oh man.
All I know is I'm not playing with these Legos afterwards.
Hey!
You did it!